We are here at DHR. They're showcasing their new XI robot. So this greatly helps our patients in terms of hospital stays and so forth. It helps the surgeons. And by coming to this conference, it opens the door for our students to learn of the healthcare positions that are out there.
Coming in, I honestly wasn't really aware about the robotic surgeries, so it was really fun getting to gain that knowledge on it and then having the experience to actually try it firsthand.
Personally, I think I would be interested in using this because I feel like it's a way where I can help people get surgeries in a less invasive way so they don't have to pay so much money for getting an incision on their whole body and having just to do an open surgery when they in the reality, it only has to be on a smaller part in your body, like say your stomach or your heart. I think that it's better for them to have smaller incisions rather than a big one so they can heal better and get out of the hospital quicker.